Hey guys, Ty Cornwell back here today, and we will be reviewing this lawnmower. It is a electric back tire push. So that means the back tires push when you pull this, so you don't have to push. This is actually a pretty good lawnmower. It's not that too good though. I mean, it's from Walmart, so it's a Honda. Can you see that? A Honda Easy Start GCV 160. And these are actually pretty good. They've got good tires on the front. They've got an actual lift up. That's pretty cool. This comes with a little thing to put under your flap, so you don't have to put a stick right there to jam it up to keep the grass from getting stuck down there. And yeah, so let's get this thing started. We're starting it right now. That was pretty good. That was a pretty good one. Alright guys, see you in my next videos. Subscribe, like this video, and thank you for watching, and peace out. Love you guys.